Google Documents. Once you open Google Docs, just click on the blank document button. You can click where it says Untitled to give it your own title. And then we can share the new document with others by clicking the Share button in the top right corner. You can just type in the email address of anyone who has a Gmail. I'm just going to send it to one of my personal email accounts. So I can go to the Google Drive of the Gmail that I shared this document with. Let me just refresh it really quick. And under the Shared With Me section, I can see the brand new doc is right there. So once both editors have access to the doc, both of them can make edits at the same time. You can leave comments by highlighting text and clicking on the comment button on the right side, right there. These comments will be visible to everyone who can see this document. But if you want someone specific to see a comment, you can use the @ button before typing in their Gmail, like this one, and assign it to them so that they will be notified of the comment. So just like this, and now on mine, I can see it like that as well. You can also make suggestions by clicking on the third option underneath the comment button. And then everything you type from then on will be read as a suggestion for other editors to view. So other editors can see that suggestion and either accept or reject it with the check mark or the X. So you can accept it. By clicking the small clock here at the top, you can view the document history, where you can go back to the original setup of the document. See, only one editor is here and it's completely blank. And you can actually just click Restore this version if you want to head back to this version of the document. Even though that wipes all the comments, you can always refer to the comment history to see everything that was communicated and resolved. If I wanted to refer another editor of this document to a research paper, I could add that in a comment. So I could say here, add a comment right here. And let's say I want to refer them to my own research project from the past. So I just copy the URL and then I would paste it into the comment box, and it'll automatically become a hyperlink that anyone who has access to the doc can see and use. And speaking of research papers, there is a way to create citations within Google Docs. I'm going to copy a paragraph from this past research paper so that we can use it as an example. And then just go to Tools and then Citations. And I'm going to use MLA for this example, but there are plenty of other citation options. And then just enter in the correct information about the source that you're citing. I won't enter in all of the data, but I'll do a little bit as just an example. And then essentially once you have all the info filled out, click Add Citation Source, and it'll show up in the correct MLA format for you to add in. So you can insert an in-text citation. Let's pretend this doesn't have a citation, and this sentence with a quote needs to be cited. All you have to do is press Cite, and then just replace the pound sign with the page numbers, and you're all set. You can also add a footnote by placing your cursor right after the word you want to reference. So let's say I wanted to reference experience, going to Insert, and scroll down to footnote, drop it in, and then there's one here and a one here. From there, you can copy and paste this citation into the footnote down below. And finally, you can also insert a works cited so that you have a perfectly formatted bibliography for your paper. And that is everything.